Hello everyone, this is Nisha Padiyar, a professional makeup artist and hairstylist from Mumbai. First of thing, I would like to say thank you so much for my all viewers, my Insta family, my YouTube family, and my family members also. Just couple of days before, I have uploaded one video. It was a skincare related video, and I have received unexpected reply. And although it was my first video on YouTube, and I'm not a professional blogger, but still, I have received so much of love from the guys. Thank you so much for that, and I will keep uploading the same kind of video. Whatever knowledge I have, I will love to share my knowledge with you people. And I'm not tied up with any brand or something, so whatever I'm sharing, it's just my personal experience. So if you have any doubt regarding that video or something, any product, you can DM me personally on my Instagram also. So I'll reply. So today's video, I would like to give reply to some my viewers. I've received some kind of reply related to previous video, and it was regarding cleansing, toning, and moisturizing that we need to do twice, morning also, and before we go to bed. So I have received some inquiries related that if somebody has a oily skin, then same moisturizer can be used. So I have suggested a Bioderma one. It is one of the best brand in skincare, and which is I'm also using on me also and on my client also. Yes, you can use that Bioderma one, but if you have a oily skin, then I will suggest you can go with the gel moisturizing cream rather going with the normal water base. So gel moisturizer, it is one of the best product for the, it works really good on the oily skin. So you can just try according to me, because I'm also deal with the many brides, so they have a normal skin, combination skin, and the oily skin also. So I have variety of moisturizer, but mostly I use the Bioderma one, and it really give a good result. But if you have a oily skin, you can use Sephora one, the gel based one, the moisturizer. It really give a good result also. And the Clinique one also is, you can also use. It is a really good brand in skincare. So those who have a oily skin, you can go with the gel moisturizing cream. The second query which I have received from one of my viewer, that if they have a water, they think they feel bloated, and their weight is chances to increase. But I would like to tell you one thing, that with the water you cannot put on weight. Water is really good for the body. And if there's a guy, we can have around 3 liter, 3 or 3.5 liter water in a day, and for the female you can have 2.7 or 3 liter. So approximately you should have 3 to 4 liter water in a day for the clear skin also, and to avoid all the skin problems and the health problem also. So with the water you cannot put on weight. Water is very very important for the body. Okay. And the third one reply, the inquiry was there, that for the male also they can do the same procedure. Yes, this the cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. This three steps are very important, not only for the female, but obviously male also can do all these three procedure for the clear skin. So you can just start. And somebody asked me till when we should do this three procedures for a good result. Obviously I would love to say that you can just start. You will see the difference in couple of the month also and days also. I'm doing this skincare since 10 years, sorry. So I'm very much experienced, and I can see the difference also. So you can just start, and you will see the visible difference in couple of days. So just start, okay? And if you have any inquiry related to skincare, you can personally DM me on Instagram or on the YouTube also. I will reply. And yes, During this quarantine I have received some inquiries related to waxing and eyebrows and this the main procedure which we do every month. So I will keep uploading one video related to waxing also. In my next video I've just planned something. So I will tell you the what you can do instead of going the traditional method of waxing, threading and plucking. So in this quarantine time you can go with the other safe method of waxing, that is using via appellator. So I will tell you the benefits and the non benefits of the using appellator. So keep like watching my channel and like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Be safe, be at home. Bye. Thank you.